Okay, I moved these comments above the last code segment that we did in the previous video. So here where we do the computation manually, we are computing the probabilities and so on. Now we're going to use the LDA function from MASS. So we're going to use the same data movers. Okay, so let's say movers dot LDA. Okay, let's capture the results in that object. So we're going to do LDA, and then we're going to specify the formula and the data set. So we have ownership, okay, against the other variables, and the data equal to movers.df. Okay, so now we have movers.lda. So here's the results. Okay. Now we can run predict and capture the results using the LDA that we just developed. Okay, so we'll call this movers dot LDA dot results. Okay, and then we use the predict function with movers dot LDA as the model object. Okay. And then we specify the data set. Okay. If you had a validation data set, you'll put the validation data set here. And let's go ahead and use the same data as we use for train. And so that will develop the results for us. Okay, so results, LDA results. Okay, so that has three things, of which we are interested in these two. So class and posterior. Posterior is the probability, posterior probability. So we can look at these. So movers dot LDA dot results, then say posterior, and that will give you the two probabilities, non-owner and owner. Then we do movers dot LDA dot results class, and that will give you the classes. Okay. Now if you want confusion matrix now, then we have to run confusion matrix as factor the predicted class, so which is in movers.lda.results class. Okay, and then we have movers.df. This is the actual class. Okay, which is ownership. And this needs to be factor as well. Okay, so now let's run, and we get the confusion matrix. So LDA function, we previously did linDA function, linDA package. Okay, and then this is LDA package. So two different libraries with which we can develop discriminant analysis.